Hey folks, myself from Double Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to generate AI content for free which can bypass any AI detector available in market and is best for students as it can write essays, assignments and papers for free to bypass AI detectors and plagiarism checkers in minutes. First, it is super easy to create content using ChatGPT in clicks, but it can easily detect it by different AI detectors and it can cause plagiarism and copyright. But then what is the solution? Well folks, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Today I am going to show you all how you can write AI content which can bypass any AI detector tool. I have tested it myself using different AI detectors like Originality.ai, CopyLeaks, GPT-0 and more. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to write undetectable AI content for free, and for this we will be using uPass.ai. First, uPass.ai is totally free undetectable AI rewriter and AI detector tool that can humanize your assignments and essays for free to bypass Turnitin AI detector and plagiarism checker. It is the best undetectable AI content writer that offers guaranteed plagiarism free content and is exactly what every student needs, as it can humanize any academic work like essays, papers and assignments. It offers error-free human writing and maintain integrity policies of school and colleges. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's get started to know how to use uPass.ai to write undetectable AI content for free. And for that, simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit uPass.ai official website. Now click sign up. Here we can create an account using Google or can also sign up using an email. Once we are logged in, we are ready to make undetectable AI content for free. But before that, let's make AI content using ChatGPT. Let's write a blog on best way to create content for YouTube. Here ChatGPT writes a well-detailed blog on topic, but when we test it using different AI detectors, it fails big time. Like on Originality.ai here, it shows 100% confidence likely AI. GPT-0 also shows it as 100% AI, and CopyLeaks also rates it as 100% AI. So first, our ChatGPT generated essay shows up as 100% AI using different AI detectors. Now we will humanize this AI generated text, and for that here we are back on uPass.ai. This is the content generated using ChatGPT. Now from here we can choose different modes to humanize AI content. Select it aggressive. Thereafter we can also check for AI and humanize content. Let's get started to make undetectable AI content for free, and for that click humanize. It starts to humanize AI content free and will also check for AI score. Once done, here we have the confirmation. The output seems to be human written. Let's check with different AI detectors, and for first, let's check with Originality.ai. Simply remove old AI content and pasted humanized AI content. Now click scan again. Let's see if we can bypass Originality.ai detection. Here we have the results. Wow, it shows 99% confidence likely original. Great result. Let's try with GPT-0, and for that paste it humanized content and then click run scan. It's quite fast, and here we have the results. 98% human. Again, great work. Our humanized AI text can bypass GPT-0 AI detection. Let's try with CopyLeaks now, and for that simply paste it humanized content. Now click scan. It starts checking for AI score, and boom, here we have the results. 0% AI score. Wow, great work by uPass.ai. We have successfully bypassed the best AI detectors and humanized text for free. So first, why waste money to write undetectable AI content when we can make undetectable AI content for free using uPass.ai? I will highly recommend you all to try out uPass.ai if you are looking to write undetectable AI content. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. Wow, that's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best ways to bypass AI detectors and how to humanize AI content. Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors?